Here we go again. Jimmy Shine's 34 Ford truck pickup, and we're going to do the front end. But before we do, I just wanted to put the window back in for you. As you know, I've got my pivot points just up here, so we're going to put a piece of filament in there for the hinge, and we're just going to push that down. Bending it a little bit, not much. That's it, bending it outward until she goes in. It should be easier than this. Oh, there we go. Brilliant. I made the hood too before. We've got some little pieces of filament in the little hole there. There's a couple of little holes here, and that just presses straight on, which I was pretty happy about. And you've got your hood, which is pretty cool. So we're going to go with our front end. Got all our bits, got our cool drop axle, just like the front of his car. We've got our little, I'm not sure what they call them, struts or whatever, and it simply just goes on there. And a bit of filament again. I am going to get some little bolts, but I haven't been up to the shop yet. Filament works pretty well for now. Make sure the front goes to the front, top to the top. Some pliers. There we go. And the other side. There we go. Beautiful. Now the hubs, I've just made these different number of sizes there. We can use the second last one. And this here, once again, we put that in there like so. Push that through somehow. And of course, our bearing goes on there, which is really cool. I want to get some smaller washers at some stage, but we'll get them at another day. It's got a bit of work to do yet, but same on the other side. Just your 5mm bolt. Oh well. I don't really want that to thread in. Just tap that through. There we go. Has to go right in there. There we go. Save again, put a bearing on. I want to get some different washers. These aren't quite right, but we'll get there. And also, I don't know if you know, but Jimmy Shine's first car had the wire wheels and didn't have the blower on it. And as you can see, I've got the twin carbs, which he had, and I've got the wire wheels that I've knocked up. I made this for that other, my 33 car, 30 Salts Roads, but I haven't done that yet. So that's something where we're headed. Now we need to put these on like so, with the lower bit down. Get our bolt. Put it through there. Screws in, so you don't need a nut. On like so. Okay, and the other side, like so. Get that started first. Now I suppose you're wondering why the front end's out here, because the front end is actually what they call a suicide front end. And you can understand if you hit anything, your front end's stuffed. So same with the model. If you're driving around, you hit something, back to the drawing board. Now we bring this up to the car, like so. Now I've got some little slots here to fit on the slots on the spring. I hummed and hawed about this for a long time, and I did some research. I looked at the real cars and what they do, and yeah, came up with this idea. And we're going to put the screw through there to hold it all together. It may not be strong enough, but side. Took me about 4 goes to get all this right, designing it. You print it, you try it, and then you think, oh yeah, I'll just change that bit there so it fits right, angles, etc. So it's enjoyable. There we go, and our front end's out the front there. And now we're going to put our steering rod on. In this case, I've just made a little steering rod, and it's going to go through here, and it goes onto the second one, as I said before. So you can probably make your own steering rod to suit whatever setup, but I I've got that actuator in the motor, so I can put little bolts through here later on. Oh dearie. And that's our steering sorted. And put the wheels on. At this stage, they just slip on. And the other one. So there it is, you're starting to get together. That's our steering done, so thanks very much for watching.